In this support video, we will be replacing the light bulb for the models 2551, 2568, and 2582. From the left back side, remove the two screws holding the light bracket holder. Remove the two remaining screws holding the bracket holder. Remove the bracket holder. Now remove the two screws holding the light bracket. With the light bulb exposed, remove the old light bulb. With the new light bulb, place into position. Screw back the light bracket. Screw back the light bracket holder. This completes the installation.